shoes. When we first started with this horse, this is Calypso, she was very bad in the wash rack. We was actually holding her and she tried to run over me in the wash rack. And every time that we've worked her, we brought her in here afterwards and rinsed her off. And as you see, she's progressed really nicely. She likes getting rinsed off. Doesn't have the stress over it that she used to. She needs a good bath. See, that's worrying her because it's hard. She needs a really good bath because she's really dirty. Then we're going to keep working that direction, but we're not going to force that before she's ready. We want to give her a good bath when it's a good positive experience. Right now the rinsing part is positive. She likes it. It feels good. It's hot. She needs some scrubbing. But right now, you see, she doesn't have a soft eye. She doesn't have a soft head. Her ears are back paying attention, but she's not as relaxed to it as what I need her to be to just go on and give her a really good bath. So that's why she's still dirty. We're working towards that direction, and we'll eventually get her there so that we can give her a good bath. And we're going to do it so that it's a good positive experience. There, she starts to get worried when I do that. She needs to be okay with that on her feet so that we can rinse that hard, because it's pretty dirty, it's pretty bad. She really needs a good bath, but we'll work into it. And just like everything you hear me say, everything is a balance, including this. We have to build on what she'll let us do. As bad as she needs a bath, if I force her in here to get a good bath right now, then I'm going to overwhelm her. It's not going to be a good experience, and we're going to have a problem we're going to have to go back and fix. Right now, she's letting us do it. She's standing still. She's got a leg cocked. I mean, she's giving us some good signs here. But she's telling us she has a limit. When I go to spray her harder, she's telling us that we're at her limit. I go up towards her head, she's telling us that we're at her limit. And you can see her face is telling us right now. She's letting us, but she's concerned. So it's a huge improvement over where we started. If you remember in the beginning, I'll try to put a clip up. We had to actually back her into the wash rack in the beginning, and she ran over me to come back out of the wash rack. So we've come a long ways, but we still have a ways to go. And there's no secret weapon, there's no secret anything to any good horse training, except the secret is knowing how far to push and when to stop and back off. And that's what we're doing here. Push her a little bit. I know that spraying her feet hard worries her, but I still did it a little bit. When she started getting fidgety, I stopped. We want to keep building on that until we get her where we can put her in here and lather her up and give her a really good bath. This is Calypso. I'll put a link up here to her playlist on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching. My mission for my training program is to try to make every horse as good as they can be. If you want to talk to me about sending a horse to me for training, send me a message and we'll talk about it.